Hello. Hey YouTube, Snubby J here. Big thanks to Tomahawk Design for their awesome gift of a Snubby J wall sign. They shipped it all the way from Sweden and I think it looks super cool in here over the PVCs, so thank you Thomas and everyone else involved for making all that happen. If you're interested, you can check out more of their metal designs on their site or on their Facebook page. Quick update from me, I just graduated from LMU. And I'm now back home for the summer, so I have a bunch of other awesome videos coming your guys' way. As always, thank you so much for all of your support, and feel free to stay connected with what I'm up to either here on YouTube, on Facebook, Twitter, or now also on Instagram. See you soon.